Hello YouTubers, it is Gaming Cyclone here, and I am going to be interviewing the Gamo Recon Whisper. It is a fairly good brake rail pellet gun. I think it is the weakest one I have, or it is the weakest one I have. It is, I think, 700 FPS. I don't know exactly, because it's the second oldest pellet gun I have, but it's cool looking. I like it because it has the handle kind of in the stock, and you can put your hand there just to for more support. And this is not the original scope. I got it off the TR-77, the default one, because I replaced the TR-77 scope with the one I bought. But it is a 4x32, pretty nice. And it is suppressed. Yep. I think there is one more pellet gun I will be interviewing. I don't know what it's called, but I'll try to find it out. So, see you then.